Okay, today I thought I would try maybe a less complicated one. This is the Lazy Man's chocolate lava cake. It's probably not going to be too bad. I mean, how could it be? All these ingredients, I mean, they go together. It's probably going to be fine. But I just wanted to try it and do something a little bit less complicated after coming back. Just got back from Argentina a couple days ago. It was great. A lot of fun. Man, I've been so busy lately, guys. It's been crazy. Just had an album come out this week as well. So that's been great to see that come to fruition. We've been working on it for a while, even though it's only like 20 minutes. There was a lot of love that went into it. But anyway, that's not what this channel is about. So we will give this a shot. I've never used these liners before. I was always cleaning my crock pot like a sucker. But since Jack used liners in his, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not really sure how to do this, honestly. It's probably not too hard. Well, I guess that's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, we're gonna combine the cake mix, the water, the eggs, and the oil for the first part here. Just got the Duncan Hines double food cake, just like Jack used. Let's see. I'm just gonna bite it like a savage. Oh! I got some powder in my eye. You'll have to trust me on that. Not big enough. Make it a little bit wider. There, that should do it. Water. And time for some one-handed egg cracking. Oh, stay there, buddy. Stop. I saw the way Jack cracked his eggs in his video, and it was actually pretty slick. I was impressed. He did it very well. It was like a pro egg cracker. 1/3 a cup of canola oil. And we will slowly beat this for 30 seconds, it says. I think it's going to take longer than 30 seconds with one hand, because I can't steady the bowl. Wait, I can use my elbow like a... Makes me feel like a praying mantis or something. The tripod's not going to happen, guys. I mean, I have one. But I really love all the comments that I get telling me to use one so much that I've decided to just keep on one-handing it. For one, it's solidarity with Jack's health condition. 2, Masao always did it with one hand, and that's actually who I was originally kind of copying a little bit. I think that's basically good. Apparently you're supposed to grease this, actually, which seems kind of odd since it's got a liner. I mean, it's got a liner in there, so... But hey, we will follow Jack's instructions. Okay. Okay, now we're just gonna dump the mix in here. All right, 2 cups of milk. Un. Dos. We'll open up this Jello. Man, I'm making a mess here on my counter. That's what happens when you are awesome. Let's see. This here. I kind of liked the biting thing. It worked pretty well, I would say. Let's try it again. Didn't work as well that time. I got some in my mouth, but it's okay. It's all right. It's all good. It's good enough for this. Okay, we're gonna whisk this for, gosh, I got chocolate powder all over my phone now, for 2 minutes. I'll watch the time. I think he said to whisk it slowly, so I can't really remember at the moment. Okay, that should be good. Okay, now I think we just dump this right over the top of the cake batter. I guess it technically said spoon it over the top of the cake batter. Well, does it matter? I don't know. I guess maybe it's supposed to be like more like a layer. I'll try to spread it out a little bit. Okay, I think that's as good as we're gonna get. Okay, now we just need to put these chocolate chips over the top. I think I'll put these in a bowl, actually. I don't want to dump them just right on the top. I think even Jack actually put them in a bowl first. Am I supposed to use the whole bag? Okay, I just checked. Yes, I am using the whole bag. 12 ounces. That is most definitely what's up. I'm planning to... I did actually try a bunch of stuff in Argentina that I filmed, and I am planning to put a video together for that. It's just going to take a little bit. You know, I've got to sift through all of the thousands of pictures I took and the videos I took and I just got to sort through all that, so it might take me a little bit of time. But it was really cool. Okay. Okay, that was actually all there is to it. So I'm just gonna cover it now, and I'm not locking it. Don't worry. Cover it, and it goes on high for 3 hours. Well, it'll have to be 4 hours because that's all there is on here, but I'll have to set a timer elsewhere. Okay, well, we will check back in 3 hours. Okay, it's been 3 hours. Let's take a look. Well, alright, I didn't have a toothpick, but I have one of these wooden skewers. It's basically the same thing, right? Poke it in here. I mean, I think it's okay. I don't know. It's pretty, it seems kind of dry. Okay, we're gonna give it a try. Okay, here we go. Okay. And I also got some whipped cream here. Jack would be proud. Alright, let's give it a shot, guys. I'm excited, actually. It smells good. I mean, yeah, it's good. It's a ton of chocolate melted together. I don't think that could be gross. It's just good. It would actually, what would make it better is if there was like a layer of caramel or something in it. I think would be really good. But it's good. I mean, how could it not be? Obviously not very healthy, but yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Yeah, guys, I mean, it was good. It's melted chocolate, whipped cream. Tastes like a chocolate cake. I don't have anything to complain about, other than I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the rest of it, because I'm trying to diet a bit and cut back, especially now that I'm eating a bunch of Jack's food. So, I have to figure out something to do with the rest of it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Next video will be out soon. See you later.